In this video, we'll explore 5 groundbreaking tech gadgets that are redefining our daily life. Imagine a world where your gadgets not only meet your needs, but anticipate them. Welcome to 2025, where innovation knows no bound. From smart home hubs to eco-friendly batteries, these innovations are not just cool, they're transformative. First up is the Homey Pro Smart Home Hub. This device acts as the central nervous system for your smart home, seamlessly connecting various devices across different platforms. Key features: supports multiple wireless protocols, including Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. User-friendly interface accessible via smartphone or web app. Advanced automation capabilities with flow-based programming. Pros: centralizes control of diverse smart device. Enhances home automation with customizable flow. Regular software updates ensure compatibility with new device. Cons: initial setup may be complex for beginner. Higher price point compared to basic hub. Next, we have the HMD Offgrid Satellite Communicator. Designed for adventurers and emergency preparedness, this device ensures you stay connected even when off the GRI. Key features: enables text messaging via satellite when cellular service is unavailable. Compact and rugged design suitable for outdoor use. Long battery life with USB-C charge-in. Pros: provides reliable communication in remote area, essential for safety during outdoor expedition. No need for a separate satellite phone. Cons: requires a subscription plan for satellite service, limited to text messaging, no voice call. Introducing the Tenet AI Laundry Robot, a revolutionary appliance that automates the laundry process, saving you time and effort. Key features: utilizes artificial intelligence to sort, wash, and fold clothes. Compact design fits seamlessly into modern home. Energy-efficient operation with eco-friendly detergent. Pros: eliminates the need for manual laundry task. Reduces water and energy consumption. Ideal for busy individuals and family. Cons: high initial investment costs. May require regular maintenance and update. The Flint Paper Battery is an eco-friendly innovation that offers a sustainable alternative to traditional battery. Key features: made from biodegradable paper material, lightweight and flexible design, suitable for low-power devices and sensor. Pros: reduces environmental impact with biodegradable component, safe and non-toxic for user. Innovative design opens possibilities for new application. Cons: limited power capacity compared to conventional battery, not yet widely available in the market. Lastly, we have the B-Pioneer Wearable Memory Aid, a device designed to assist individuals with memory challenge. Key features: records and organizes daily activities and conversation. Provides reminders and prompts for tasks and appointment. discreet and comfortable to wear throughout the day. Pros: enhances independence for individuals with memory impairment, improves quality of life with timely reminder, user-friendly interface accessible via smartphone application. Cons: privacy concerns regarding data storage, may require regular charging and maintenance. These 5 innovative gadgets of 2025 showcase the incredible advancements in technology aimed at enhancing our daily lives. Whether it's automating household chores, staying connected off the grid, or supporting cognitive health, these devices offer practical solutions for modern challenge. For more insights into the latest tech trends, check out our previous video on the channel. Stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the future of technology.